How to log out of your CapCut account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your CapCut account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So logging out of your CapCut is really simple. It can help you secure your videos, your projects, whenever you're using shared devices. So first, to do that, open up your CapCut. Make sure that your CapCut app is up to date to its latest version. After you open up your CapCut, you can then head over to your Me section that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on Me, and this is your account right here. Now after you're here, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will notice a sign out option on the bottom. Now all you have to do is tap on the sign out option, and it will just sign you out of your account. So as you can see, I'm no longer logged in into my CapCut account. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you log out of your CapCut account. Now you can log back in using another device to recover all of your projects that you had on your CapCut account. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.